Tutorial number 20. How to create a technologist worksheet for thyroid ultrasound. After launching the app, log in as technologist. If you're not a registered user, watch tutorial number 1, how to register a new user. The link is in the description down below. Select thyroid ultrasound reporting worksheet. Enter patient demographics. All fields with red borders should be completed. You can enter the information manually, or capture the patient label, or use modality work list to populate demographics automatically. To learn how to replace patient demographics with a patient label, watch tutorial number 7, how to add patient label to worksheet or report. To learn how to set up DICOM communications with your network server, watch tutorial number 4, how to set up DICOM communications. The links are in the description down below. Since we have already set up our DICOM communications, we will select the patient from the work list. Select your patient from the work list. Any fields with red border should be completed. Tap Next. If there is any previous study for comparison, enter the related information, otherwise, tap Next. Enter general findings such as echo texture and dimensions of each lobes. If there is no nodules, select No Nodules and tap Next to move to the next page. Otherwise, select the total number of nodules. Using the structured reporting template, you can describe up to a total of 4 nodules. Select the nodule number that you want to describe. Use the standard descriptors to describe each nodules. Please note that the app will use the latest international recommendations to analyze the described nodules and to suggest the management based on the most worrisome features. Once you have finished describing the nodule number 1, select the next nodule and repeat the process to describe all nodules. If you need to make changes to a described nodule, just select the nodule number and make necessary changes. Once you have finished describing all nodules, the Edit button will be enabled. Tap on it to see the described nodules. You can edit the structured report if you need to. Otherwise, tap Next to go to Management page. Select Tech Worksheet. By default, no diagram is added to your worksheet, but here you can select to add your own drawing or a blank diagram to your worksheet. To learn how to add the diagram to your device, watch tutorial number 8, how to add the diagram to technologist worksheet. The link is in the description down below. Tap Next to see the worksheet. To send the worksheet to PAX, tap Send PDF to PAX. To print the worksheet, tap Share, select your printer from the list, and then tap Print. To learn how to share the report by text messaging or email or AirDrop, or how to save it to your device, watch tutorial number 10, how to print, save, or send worksheet or report to PAX. The link is in the description down below. Once you are done, tap Trash to clear all data and prepare the app to start a new report. If you have any questions or comments, you can always contact us by email support from the login page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new tutorial.